Mind Warriors, I'm Drashti.
And I am Anaya. And we both welcome you all to yet another match of Mind Wars League 2021.
जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, हम compete कर रहे हैं for Mind Wars League Trophy.
6 players and 15 matches, and the 4 most highest scorers will go on the next round to be the Mind Wars League 2021 champion.
वैसे अनाया, how you planning to win this league? क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें रोज सुबह देख रही हूँ कि तुम 7 बजे वाला लेक्चर मिस कर रही हो.
अरे यार दृष्टि, सुबह 7 बजे उठकर लेक्चर अटेंड करने की मोटिवेशन ही नहीं मिलती है. क्या करूँ?
You are so lazy अनाया. Thank God हमें पढ़ने तो मिल रहा है. All thanks to great women like Savitribai Phule who paved way for us. तो उनके बारे में जानती है ना?
Of course, India's first female teacher.
Exactly. She is regarded as a mother of Indian feminism, and she was also honored for her exemplary work in women's education by British government. She is so inspiring to me. So who is your inspiration?
Me? It has to be Jacinda Ardern, New Zealand's youngest ever female prime minister. Did you know she voluntarily took 20% pay cut to close the gap between herself and those who are affected by COVID pay cuts? I think she's just so inspiring. And she cares about the people so much. I want to be just like her.
Since we are on topic of strong and empowering women, क्यों ना अपनी knowledge test कर ले on women who changed the world.
Yes,
Let the Mind Wars begin.
First question. Maria Estelle Martins de Peron, the Argentine president in the 1970s, who was arrested by which country in 2007, where she had lived since 1981? I think the answer is Spain. Yay! Answer is correct. Okay. Which head of state was introduced to her husband at an Oxford Conservative Association dance by Benazir Bhutto in 1976? Margaret Thatcher. Oh my gosh. Okay. Which head of state with a doctorate in quantum chemistry is said to owe her political success to her scientific career? Political success. I think it is Theresa May. Okay. Which alumna of Lady Shri Ram College for Women and head of the National League for Democracy is the state councillor of her country? The first option, Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay. Yes. On whom Joitra, a 2018 book on the life of an Asian country's longest serving prime minister based? It is, I think, Sheikh Hasina. Okay. Of which state was Pratibha Patil the governor from 2004 to 2007 before she became India's first woman president? I think it's Rajasthan. Yes! Did you know? Before becoming the first female president of India, Pratibha Patil was also the first female governor of Rajasthan. Okay. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf was the president of which African country when she was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2011? It's Liberia. In 2018, in which country did Vidya Devi Bhandari replace Ram Baran Yadav as the second head of state after abolition of monarchy? It's, I think, Nepal. Yes. Okay. Following her husband's death, who became the world's first female prime minister in 1960? I think it is Sheikh Hasina. Oh. What did Prime Minister of New Zealand Jacinda Ardern do in 2018? The second prime minister to do so after Benazir Bhutto in 1990. Had a baby while holding the office. Yes, I got the answer correct. Did you know Jacinda Ardern's baby girl was born on 21st June, and it was the very same day when Bhutto was born 65 years back in the year 1953. I got 7 out of 10, which is bad, but it's okay, I'll catch up.
Let's start the quiz. Number 1. On which day every year is the International Women's Day celebrated? 8th March? Yes! Second question. Who was the first woman to serve as a prime minister in an Islamic country? Zainab Khan. Third question. Who was the first woman in history to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie. Yes. Did you know Marie Curie was not only the first woman to win Nobel Prize, but also the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes? Fourth, in which year did the Supreme Court pass guidelines on protecting women against sexual harassment at workplace? In 1991. Oh, wrong answer. Number 5. Who founded the iconic fashion brand that is currently led by its creative director Karl Lagerfeld? Anna Wintour. Sixth question. Who established a mansion at Khetgaon for widows and poor women to make them literate and independent? Pandit Rambai. Yes. 7. From the following names, which name is not other name for Rokia Sakhawat Hussain? Rahila Hussain. Yes. Number 8. In which year was the law to protect women from domestic violence passed in India? I think 2008. Who is the world's longest serving monarch? Queen Mary the First. Which 21 years old Indian athlete is nicknamed Ding Express? Swapna Bharman. I got 4 right, but never mind. I will catch up in next matches.
Yes, I got 7 points. How much did you score?
I scored 4 points and I lost.
It's okay, you'll catch up. Let's take a look at the leaderboard.
I'm just sad कि मैंने इतना practice किया but still I lost.
It's okay. हम दोनों ना next time से साथ में मिलकर पढ़ाई करेंगे. क्या पता हम कल को सावित्री बाई फुले और जसिंदा आर्डन जैसे बन गए तो?
हाँ, वैसे हम माइंड वॉरियर्स को पूछे कि हम दोनों में से सेमीफाइनल्स में कौन जाएगा?
घर बैठे माइंड वॉरियर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए कि आपके हिसाब से हम दोनों में से सेमीफाइनल्स में कौन जाएगा.
और हाँ, आपको भी अगर माइंड वॉर्स खेलना है तो आप ZEE5 पे खेल सकते हो.
और अगर आपको भी हमारे तरह लीग का हिस्सा बनना है तो write to us on contact@mindverse.co.in.
Bye!
Did you know? After bunning after punch. Want to be the first one to know about the videos on the Mindverse YouTube channel? Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.
Knowledge increases when you share it. So, like, share and tell your friends about the video.